Student health insurance is a valuable resource that ensures you have access to essential healthcare services during your academic journey. Understanding how to use your student health insurance can be crucial for maintaining your well-being. Here's a concise guide to help you make the most of your coverage. Firstly, familiarize yourself with your insurance plan. This involves knowing the coverage details, including in-network providers, deductibles, co-payments, and any limitations on services. Most universities provide an online portal or information packet to help you grasp the specifics. Next, find out how to locate in-network providers. These are healthcare professionals and facilities that have a contract with your insurance company to provide services at a discounted rate. Using in-network providers can help you save money on your healthcare expenses. Once you have identified in-network providers, schedule regular checkups and preventive care appointments. These visits can help you stay healthy and catch any potential health issues early on. Remember to bring your insurance card and any necessary documentation to these appointments. In case of an emergency, it's important to know what to do. Familiarize yourself with the nearest emergency room or urgent care center that accepts your insurance. Keep your insurance card handy and know the steps to take in case of a medical emergency. Lastly, keep track of your healthcare expenses and understand how your insurance plan handles claims and reimbursements. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you are not overpaying for services covered by your insurance. By following these steps and being proactive about your healthcare, you can make the most of your student health insurance coverage. Remember to regularly review your insurance plan and stay informed about any updates or changes that may affect your coverage. When seeking medical care, start by visiting the university's health center if available. These facilities are often covered by student insurance plans and provide convenient and affordable basic healthcare services. Make appointments in advance and bring your insurance card to streamline the process. For off-campus care, choose healthcare providers within your insurance network. This ensures that you receive the maximum coverage and pay lower out-of-pocket expenses. You can find in-network providers by using your insurance company's online directory or contacting their customer service. When scheduling appointments, confirm that the healthcare provider accepts your insurance and inquire about any additional costs. Always carry your insurance card, as it contains essential information needed for billing purposes. In case of emergencies, call 911 or visit the nearest emergency room. Student health insurance typically covers emergency services, but it's crucial to notify your insurance provider as soon as possible to facilitate claims processing. Keep track of your medical expenses and understand the process for submitting claims. Many insurance companies offer mobile apps or online portals where you can easily submit documentation for reimbursement. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to your university's health services office or the insurance provider's customer service for assistance. They can provide clarification on coverage, help you find in-network providers, and guide you through the claims process. By understanding the ins and outs of your student health insurance, you empower yourself to proactively manage your well-being while navigating the demands of academic life.